We are about to learn our bed. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
We are about to learn 2 and 2. If I say then you stay after me. Do you hear?
Yes, sir.
If it's a one person who will copy make mistake, I will lash you. They discuss I have to you people to be intelligent. Do you know intelligent?
Yes, sir.
You don't know. It's about sense. You have to get sense. If I say, then you say after me. 2 and 2. 2 and 2.
2 and 2.
2 2 4.
2 2 4.
2 5 6.
2 5 6.
2 7 8.
2 7 8.
2 7 17.
2 7 17.
2 10 20.
2 10 20.
2 10 22.
2 10 22.
2 4 52.
2 4 52.
First person to wake up. 2 and 2 go.
2 and 2.
Shout like that.
2 and 2. 2 2 8.
Hey, who that you are talking no here? Say again. 2 and 2.
2 and 2.
2 2 4.
2 2 4.
2 5 6.
2 5 6.
2 7 18.
2 7 18.
2 9 20.
2 9 20.
Say again. Bring your hand. Bring your hand. Bring your hand.
Hey!
Bring your hand. Sit down.
Sir.
Fucking boy. Let me tell you, this school inside. If you people want to show me Kreko, I will show you Krende. Say after me, Kreko.
Kreko.
Then I will show you Krende.
I'll show you Krende.
Yes. I don't know money you money sasa.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the make a say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You should get sense.
Yes, sir.
And your children. Has a musha you learn.
Yes.
If you don't learn, you cannot go any place. Oh, you know that. You should know. If you don't know, you know. If this school inside, you people want to show me Krende, I will show you Krako.
Okay.
You know that?
Yes.
Say after me Krende.
Krende.
Then I will show you Krako.
And I will show you Krako.
Yeah, man. Me, I'm not joking. I'm a professional man. Hey, my baby, I may have them in wet now. The Connie English and my time number tree. When you move Bassa and Yan be a Modisiwo, you're more church. I'm a kind of modern and I'm man. You should people be serious, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go to Blake. Second half, then you come. Go to Blake, then they sit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mongo Blake, I'm with you, and I'm going to go to the other. No, church. That's just so cool.
I'll tell my brother.
So don't you
Hey, Mongo, I'm calling you, you are standing. You should respect Buadie, no Buadie. Hey, you know, say you are power. Do you know? You don't know. You are powerful girl, Akasa. You are natural power and spiritual power. You are sexy, romantic, and handsome. You don't know. If I say Zoroko, they say power. Zoroko. Do you understand? No. It means your body is Zoroko. Your power is you are powerful. Your body will sweet and kasa. You sweet passing good. I'm telling you.
Family.
You the life family too. With what are you got? You will too. Go. If you not like, if you close the school, then you can meet me for house. Okay?
Your house?
Yes.
That Apata house?
Bamboo, Mumia Pata, bamboo, what about them? Shasuko, your chile. I have Buadia, no mushy. Mother, and two. Shut up, eh? Yes, minimum.
Sir,
What is your problem?
Mom is all Chaman in the school.
And so what?
I'm talking, I won't tell you.
You won't talk to me? Hey, every year I say, Mom.
Mommy,
Hey, you cannot speak English. You cannot speak anything better. How come? What's your number school?
Sir,
Tammy.
Makotonade.
How got on it? About be school ni se wo koton ade. Enye serious kra. De enye hwe. Ebo o china awia. No ba me fie so ate. Ate. E mo bi en.
Me be abede.
E be konsu. Na asim ne ma so aka.
Dama.
Ai.
E be pass ma.
E be pass o dey.
E da ma bo muntu me so adentin. Na me se be pass me mark na.
Oh, it's a problem. Any problem. I'll handle you. I'll handle you. Don't worry, baby.
Bye-bye.
No problem. No problem. Facing me. Hey, mommy, dear boy, facing in your club, our body near nice. School more them difference at Chidiama Boca. And Mamma Bui. I can't go on. Where did you? You know, the better pressure. Mama, I cried and my room to Papa. I had a magic meeting. Yeah, company, my free. Magic meeting. Sure. Yes, yeah, you think. But my one went young for Bassian and Wissy Susu. For body on your bemo. Mamma do have 4 bar. Sure. Or body oil. Now, we are back to breakfast. Then now, we are come to learn and now. And now, who can say, what is a noun? Oh, sis. What is a noun?
Sir, please, a noun. Fish.
A noun is a name of a person or animal, a place or a thing. And I'm a boy.
Oh, sir, yes.
Other you people don't know a noun.
Sir, now.
Sir,
It's a what?
Now.
Me teacher say noun, a noun, what's a noun?
You are too low. You.
sir,
Waiting.
e di minim. And now is a kako.
Monto, nyakaku, monto. Trans war, your chilo, as a noun is a kaku. You.
A noun. A noun is a fish. It's a fish.
You are there. I've got a map for me. I didn't know what. Yes, I'm afraid.
Yes, sir. A noun is a noun. Yes, a noun.
Yes, fanboy. Fanboy, you are sitting.
Sir, it's not fine. I'm fine.
You can show me what you can do.
Yes.
When you said you have to do it, on see a chacha, show us some as a man will. I will shout him.
Sir, it's packaging.
When you said they had it now, talk.
Sir, are you talking about Nam 1 or Nam or?
Who is number 1?
The thing you are saying is dodging me.
Is dodging you?
Nam
Hey! Yeah, as some of them go short way. We are about to learn ABCD.
Sir, I carry you.
Where?
I carry you up.
You go carry me up. You are not respectful. I'm saying something. You are telling me say you will carry me. Respect your speech. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
We are about to learn ABCD. You hear?
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
Sir, I'm sure.
Where did you to be?
Me chama Mumbu Adiana. Wouldn't child and one can says or farm a teacher. Me chama just my child and Mosey and swing. Come on, Kadimachi. A, B, C, D, E, F,
Sir, down teacher back or chair there. For never ha, and for number.
Fuba never ba.
Aha de. Na odine finfin aha. Owa.
Ena de mo ne me be twintwan.
Fo wo ho.
Me che ma no mo se enye no a.
Say what to be brave.
Be ji choko churo. Be ji churo. To wan churo ni ye wo hwa de.
E ya no menyim.
Churo.
Wo de fo ne ba ha baby.
Hey. Ah. Dano. Hey,
Say me kan me.
I say 10. 10 na me la show. 10 would na ho. Chadi a wa be churo.
Me kai fo shem
Come. Tracing. To ABCD. Aha. Clap for him. Hey! Another clap. Hey! She has been done today.
Sir, it's not like that. No, sir. It's not like that.
It's not like that.
No, sir.
Hey!
It's not like that.
Hey!
That's what I mean.
And come show us. Come. If you not write well, you will see for here.
Sir, continue.
finish.
Continue.
Sir, we will use this one to continue.
Which one?
This one here.
And then add together. Then we shall be one.
Say, sir, then kind of mobile money.
But the school is some food. And what's Yaki come? Hey! Obiabo. And I had ever know. Me Chamadana Momo Chamania Momo Pe. Hey, you stop that bullshit. Me, I don't tolerate it. I mean, tolerate nonsense. I don't tolerate nonsense. Watch out to talk to me. You hear?
Yes, sir.
Who's here? I don't know.
Outside.
Hey, somebody give me a sharpener to clean this thing top. The ABCD. Duster. Duster. The ABCD. I'm confused with ABCD.
So is the duster?
You use the duster to cover your hand. You
Hey.
give me the duster.
Duster them. Hey, and them one there. Go.
You use the duster to see.
Clean top.
Mamba.
Hey. Madu obi bag na papa.
Me bag.
Hey,
Nyanku babu, me bag.
school mo there mu hwehwehwe mu fie na mu ye mu fie. Eh, kwatrase.
Me bag na lu papa da me.
Some say more than.
Neto na.
Hey, wake up. Spell a cat.
A cat. Say H C.
Sit down, let me spell it for you.
Say it's correct.
Me, I say sit down.
Sorry,
Cat.
say.
R-T-E, cat. Say again.
R-T, cat.
Wake up. Spell cow. Nentrie. Spell it nentrie.
Ki-u-wo. Cow.
Say.
Xenophobia away. Xenophobia. Cow. Ki-u-wo. Wake up. Cow.
Say cow is moo.
Spell it.
Krasini. Transi. Madam, sorry.
Say, what's the mean spelling it?
Cow. Nentrie.
Cow. C U K.
Hey.
Say one cherry.
Hey, Transi. Me better mu say the spell it. Cow.
So what is that?
C-A-T-G-K. Cow.
Yes.
Say after me.
Cow.
C-A-G-P Well done. We are about to spell Ghana. Who can spell Ghana?
Say yes, me.
Wake up.
This one is hard, Papa.
Ghana. Say Ghana. H. Say H.
H then.
V.
Hey, translate.
Oh, say.
Translate, Mr. Translate.
Say.
Yes, solid.
Say.
Spell Ghana.
Ghana.
Uh-huh.
Red, good, green Ghana.
This one
Say.
is correct.
Ampa. Sampa.
And then
Insuma so shem.
yes.
Insuma shem.
Yes.
Sit down.
Say I can spell it.
Sit down. You can spell what?
Ghana.
Let me show you Ghana. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ghana. G. K. A. C. K. Ghana. Spell again.
Ghana. K.
C. Ghana. Spell again. Ghana. Tap yourself. I'm coming this school to show you intelligence. Intelligent. Who can spell intelligent?
He said this one there.
Raise your hand. Hey.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Say me I can spell
Solid.
it.
Solid. Intelligent.
T E N
Hey. Now what's on out here?
Debbie.
What's the say we say we are still say then you say Matthew say then say unkuku suppose say then you about to say one year. Spell it. Intelligence is CEO then. Intelligent mekan waka T-E-L-E. Intelligent. Can I say again?
Intelligence.
Yeah, the way you chat to watching you better school. China by morning by 6 no be our class.
Yes,
okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
Auntie, and about them.
Sis, I'll wash mother's clothes. So by 7 I'll come.
Sir, we will Ghana with TV, so just spell Ghana in your college.
Sit down.
Manti, come again.
Ghana, now we should TV them who Ghana with TV, so by your spelling.
Ghana.
Yes.
TV so.
By your spelling, Ghana is not college.
Only me say.
Yes, sir.
You are telling me my spelling is not correct.
But your Ghana different and Ghana TV is so different.
Hey. Spelling Ghana.
J-H-A-N-A.
Hey.
Me no me refi.
Ajay.
I am my pon coffee. My friend.
Close in prayer.
Banopa, Ubi Ambla. Samati.
Yes, sir.
Pray for us before we go.
Me won't pay mom.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I cry everyone for himself, God for us all.
God for us.
Hey, I cry everyone for himself, God for us all. Hey, we are can't get by. We are school no woman masters. We can see this. You should learn.
Sir,
I don't grasp some no one.
young boy no one come to you. You're kind and then
Hey, many mechanic. Hey,
headmaster, but who obey you.
I won't be at enough. No, I know how to deal with. Although you saw the baby, don't cry. All for you.